Hey guys, Junior here from Ascend AI Solutions. I'm really excited about this video. I want to show you how you can make yourself an AI lead magnet. If you know a little bit about generating leads and how lead magnets work, you deliver a bit of value to your potential customers, and in exchange they give you their contact details. But if the lead magnet is good enough, it will convert to clients. And so I'm hoping that this little tutorial can show you a pretty cool way that you can build an AI lead magnet. Let me walk you through what I want to do in this video. Is I want to walk you through the flow, which is what I have here. Then I'll show you how to make it in make.com, and then I will even run through it and demo it so you can see what it's like. So let's run through the process flow really quickly here. So essentially there is some type of form. In my case, I'm going to be using a Google form, and the value proposition here is fill out this form to receive a personalized report detailing my suggestions. Then what it will do is it will ask questions obviously in the form, and it will collect pain points and clients' details and information. And then what it will then do is it will take those pain points and run it through AI that's trained on knowledge. It says here coaching knowledge because I made this lead magnet for an online coaching offer, but just replace the word coaching with your business. But let's just use coaching for an example. It runs it through an AI assistant trained on coaching knowledge, and then a report is generated. A personalized report is generated and emailed to the client. In that email, it also has a book a call link and various upsells. So there's definitely some power there if you do it right. Now, at the same time as generating that report, it also collects their contact information, including their email, and that information either gets added to an email list for future follow-up, or it gets just saved to the CRM for you to follow up as a potential lead in the future. So this is how the flow essentially runs. It's pretty simple, but imagine you can put a link to this lead magnet form on your social media. In this particular case, we had a coach that ran an Instagram page, had a lot of followers. They would just paste this link to their Instagram story or run it over a course of a week on various posts. And as people see and come into contact with that link, they click the link, fill out the form, get this free generated report that's tailored and personalized to them. And then also their contact information is saved for future follow-up. That list is then given to appointment setters or people to then follow up with that client and try and turn them into real customers. So that's essentially the flow. Let me now quickly run you through the make.com scenario. So essentially this is what it looks like here, and you've got very simple. A Google form is where it starts, and so essentially you just create a Google form. You put your list of questions there, and then you make sure that you connect it up to your make.com account. The next thing we do is, based on those responses, we're taking the responses from the lead that they put into the form, and we're running it through AI to respond to. So in this case, I just connected it to my API, Assistance API in OpenAI, and we want to create a chat completion. And then in this case, I'm just simply using the oldest model 3.5. And then what you want to do is you want to give it a prompt. So this is the particular prompt I've given it. You are the world's best coaching assistant, trained in the principles of Tony Robbins, focused on helping people overcome challenges and achieve their highest potential. I don't know if I said it earlier, but essentially this lead magnet is giving people a Tony Robbins style report of suggestions of how they can improve. Anyway, so back to this. So the task, based on the client's answers to the following questions, generate a personalized coaching report that mirrors Tony Robbins' style of guidance, offers specific advice and strategies for each pain point, include actionable steps, motivational quotes, etc. I'll let you read the rest of that. But the most important part here is that what we've done is we've mapped the client's responses to the form and put them here. So their biggest goal, their biggest challenge, motivation level, focus area, all of these were questions on the form, and we're essentially telling AI, look at these answers and generate a response. That's all this really is. And then there's just like a couple of examples of how I gave it to respond. So that's that module. The next module here is just pretty simple. All this is just me converting the message to HTML because I'm using Gmail. So yeah, no need to really cover that. But all this is just me telling the AI once again to actually let me quickly show it to you. Yeah, so this second module is just me saying to the AI, now take the message that you've generated and rewrite it so that it has appropriate HTML formatting inserted, and then yeah, this is all HTML. These like brackets, and the reason why I had to do this was because I'm using Gmail to send the messages, and Gmail requires that type of formatting. Otherwise, everything will be in one big slab of writing, which doesn't look very, very good. So you need to put the HTML formatting. This is just a bit of a lazy way to do it. I just used AI to do that. The next step is then saving to the CRM. So this Google Sheet, you don't have to use a Google Sheet, but I just use this to represent a CRM. So if you have Notion, ClickUp, any type of CRM that you might be using to manage your clients, you can set this automation that it will save their contact details somewhere. You always want to save your lead. You always want to save your lead magnet information in a place like a CRM for future follow up. And so that's essentially what that step is there. Okay, and then the final step is very, very simple, which is simply sending an email to our clients and giving them the personalized, in this case, personalized power performance report inspired by Tony Robbins. And I've even put, their name there. So whatever name they submit the form with, it'll say their name really clearly. John Smith's personalized power performance report inspired by Tony Robbins. And then yeah, it's just got the message here that's got the HTML text. And that's pretty much the flow. And look, I haven't gone into heaps of detail of how to build it, but what I will do is I will export this blueprint and save it in the description. So if you want to try it out, it's there for you for free to use and have a go. Okay, awesome. So that's essentially the process flow and the make.com scenarios and how to build that out. Let me show you now quickly how you can, what it looks like in the real world. So let's demo it and let me show you what that looks like. So here we have the Google form, which I created, and I put a series of questions in. And this is the title: Get your personalized performance reporting. Personalized performance report inspired by Tony Robbins coaching. Fill out this form to receive a customized report with insights and strategies used by Tony Robbins to help clients overcome challenges, achieve their goals. Okay, so let's fill this out as if we were a potential lead. So I'm a potential lead. I was just scrolling around, and my favorite coach who I follow, he's put this link up saying, get your performance report personalized by Tony Robbins. Okay, so I'm on there, and my name is Dwayne Johnson, and my email, I'll just use an email that I can check for the response. Okay, and then what is your biggest goal in life right now? Let's say I want to Own my own. I want to own my own business. Say that. What is the biggest challenge you're currently facing to achieve this goal? I'm too lazy. On a scale of 1 to 10, how motivated are you to overcome this challenge? I'm going to say I'm very motivated. No, actually, I'm lazy. Let's do 3 out of 10. And you might, what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and put some funny responses. Well, not too funny, but funny enough that the AI can pick it up, so that we can clearly see whether it's personalizing the report. So that's the big main sort of power here with this lead magnet, is that it generates a report that is personalized to your potential lead, and that is a lot more valuable in terms of lead magnets than just a simple generic here's some information. So that's essentially what we're doing here. So let's continue to fill out the form. I need help with my finances, and describe any specific obstacles that you're preventing from reaching your full potential. Let's say I don't know, I have too many enemies. See how that goes. What negative beliefs or self-doubts hold you back the most? I don't believe I am smart enough. How do you currently deal with stress, fear, or uncertainty? Let's see if we can. I like to eat KFC by myself. Let's see. Okay, so let's see if it picks up that response and personalizes it. What support or resources have you tried in the past? Let's say therapy is what I tried. How satisfied were you with the results? Not very. If you could create a breakthrough in one specific area of your life, what would it be? What would it be? Relationships. What does success look like to you, and how would you achieve it? So financial freedom, and it would be great. My responses are just getting a bit boring now. How committed are you to taking action to overcome your current challenges? I am ready to rock. Get it? Because his name is Dwayne Johnson. Get it? I'm ready to rock. That's a bit dry. What would motivate you to stay consistent to achieve your goals? A great coach. Okay, so submit the form. Okay, get your personalized. Okay, yeah, awesome. Submission successful. We're working on your report. Check your email in 1 minute. So let's just go back here and let's run this, and hopefully it goes through smoothly. Okay, yeah, perfect. So it's picked up the response. Now AI is generating a response to the responses. Now it's running through that HTML module. Hopefully that can work fine. Okay, perfect. It's saved to the CRM, and now it's sent me an email. So hopefully that all worked fine. Let's go to our email and just double check. Let's see. I will just 1 second. Okay, guys, so it's worked. So sorry about that. I was a little technical difficulty. Okay, so yeah, so Dwayne Johnson's personalized power performance report inspired by Tony Robbins. Hello, client's name. Oh, okay. Looks like I made a bit of a little error here. So I just got to fix up the mapping. This is an easy fix, and I'll just change it so that it maps Dwayne Johnson's name next time. But thank you for opening up and sharing your aspirations and challenges with me. This report is exclusively crafted for you, incorporating Tony Robbins' powerful strategies to help you conquer your obstacles and soar towards your dreams. Understanding your biggest challenge. Your primary hurdle seems to be feeling too lazy. Perfect. The path to success takes massive determined action. Okay, perfect. So like, there's a personalized part there. To advance your journey, yeah, okay. Finances was what I selected, and then it's giving me suggestions of how I can improve my finances. Shifting negative beliefs. I don't believe I'm smart enough. Tony Robbins teaches to reshape physiology for stand tall. Perfect. Let's see. In times of stress, focus on what you can control. Tony advises the gratitude. I was hoping you'd mention the KFC thing there, but I guess not. Your motivation level is at a 3, but you're ready to rock. Remember, it's what we do consistently. Okay, yeah, perfect. So then, yeah, as you seek financial freedom. Perfect, perfect. Oh, yeah, so this is what I wanted to point out as well. So, the call to action. So, book a call here to unlock further insights. So that's something that's always really important with these lead magnets, is that call to action, whether it be to book an appointment or to upsell them on some type of offer that you might have. But that's pretty much it. So I hope you found some value in this video about building an AI lead magnet. If you're looking for someone who might be able to build something like this for you, let me know in the comments, or drop me a message. I'll be more than happy to help. But I really love this thing. It's really easy to make, and it's just delivering value up front, which a lot of leads love people like this, and it really does build a reputation for yourself. But yeah, that's it from me, guys. I hope this was okay for you, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.